Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all fine at your home and you are from grade 1. Yes, this is our English subject and we are going to learn lesson 3 at the zoo. AT at THE the ZOO zoo. So already we have learned the first lesson, Manu and his family, isn't it? The same things followed here. Okay children? What you all do in your Sundays children? It's a holiday, isn't it? Yes, you don't want to go to school, isn't it? You don't want to do your homeworks and you can go wherever you like and you can do whatever you like, isn't it? So this is Sunday. You already know about Manu and his family, isn't it? Yes, there were father, mother and his sister Meeta and his pet dog Spot, all are there, isn't it? So the same thing, that same persons are also in this lesson at the zoo. So it is Sunday. It is one Sunday. Manu and his dog Spot. You know about this Spot, no? See in this picture there was a dog, isn't it? The white color. There was a black spot on his body. Yes. So his dog and Manu is playing in the garden. So there comes Manu's father. He come and says that we are going to the zoo today. You get ready, we are going to the zoo today. So after hearing that news, Manu was very happy and he is showing he is expressing his happiness, and Spot also giving some noise that shows he is also very much happy. And his sister, who is his sister? Yes, little sister Meeta. So she is also happy. She is also feeling very happy to go to the zoo. Okay children? When you are going for outing, what will you do children? Yes, you will pack all your needed things, wanted things, isn't it? So when you are going out, you will pack all your things and you will have your own. You don't want to borrow from others. So the same thing Manu also did. What he did, he takes all his bat and ball. Like Manu, Spot also took his rubber bone. See his mouth, see in his mouth children, what is there? Yes, this is rubber bone and he is going to play with this bone, rubber bone. He also took his thing. They are very much happy, and his little sister Meena, what she take, see in her hand, what is there? Yes, there she took a little doll to play in the garden. So they cannot wait. They Spot, the pet dog Spot, Manu and his little sister, they cannot wait. They want to go out immediately, but with they cannot go alone, isn't it? They need some elder person. Where are their father and mother? What they are doing? Let us see what they are doing. See Manu's father and mother, what they are doing? Yes, they are packing their things. When you are going for outing, what you will do? Yes, your parents will pack your food, water bottles, snacks, fruits and bags, everything, isn't it? So the same thing, Manu's father and mother also packing everything to eat, isn't it? So see there are water bottles, snacks bottles, fruits and snacks boxes there, isn't it? So they are packing in the bag. After packing everything, they started to go to zoo. So they are all sitting inside the car. See the car, who are all there? Father, mother, Manu, little sister, everybody, they are sitting in the car. Yes, they started to reach the zoo. After sitting inside the car, they are all very happy. Who are all very happy? Manu, little sister Meeta and the pet dog Spot. They are very much happy to see the zoo. What are all in the zoos children? What are all in the zoo? Have you ever gone to zoo? Especially monkeys are there, isn't it? They will entertain us, isn't it? They will jump here and there, tree to tree, and they will come near to us, isn't it? So when we are seeing the monkeys, we'll feel happy and we'll throw some food, isn't it? So what are all the zoo? What are all the animals are in the zoo? All the animals like giraffe, camel, lion, tiger, elephant. Everything, isn't it? So the crocodile, you are showing water animals are there, everything is there. Have you scared children to see all the animals? You can see out from the cage, isn't it? You cannot go near to the lion cage, isn't it? So everything Everything we can see from the long distance or out of the cage. We cannot go near to the animals. They will harm us. So we can see from the distance all the animals in the zoo. In the zoo, are you thinking all the animals will be quiet without making any noise? No. Like the children, they will also make some noise. So the birds are tweet. That means what? They will make some noise. The lion will roar. That if we hear the lion roaring sound, we will get scared. We cannot hear almost for 5 minutes, isn't it? So it will roar like anything. So the snake will also make some noise. The monkey always waves his long tail. It is look very long, isn't it? Yes. The crocodile, it will come. The crocodile shakes his tail out of the water. He will come out sometimes, isn't it? Yes. The elephant lift his long nose. That means what, children? The elephant always shake his trunk here and there for drinking water. That shows it will look something different, isn't it? Yes. So all the animals who are all living in the zoo, they will have some sound, their own sound. How we are making sound, they are also having some sounds. They will make such noise. They all cannot be quiet inside the zoo. They are all hearing all those noise. Who are all hearing, children? Manu and his family, isn't it? They all went together, isn't it? So after seeing all the animals and their sounds, each and every animals, they admired each and every animal's activities, the sound, everything, and they are all very happy, and they happily they are returning to the home. That Sunday was very much happy to all of them in the family. I hope you all understood the lesson well. This is very easy lesson, isn't it, children? Yes. We will meet in the next video class. Okay. Thank you.